All right, folks, Fat Guy Flies RC. How y'all doing? Okay, after my debacle with the battery situation with the T7A, which is entirely my fault, I didn't check my battery ahead of time. Put the battery in that I just flown with earlier, so she only had like 40 or 40% in it, and I flew for 4 minutes and I sucked the battery dry, and she of course had to crash land because she lost all power and ruined the front nose gear and ruined the battery. Dropped it down to 1%, so ruined the battery. My fault completely, and I even have a system to prevent that, but I didn't check it. But we're gonna fly the Sirius again, and I'm gonna show you before we go anywhere 99% on this battery. Okay, so now we can fly the Sirius knowing that we got a brand new battery in there. Oh, I'm a nut. So let's take this bad boy out there and let's have some fun. I tell you what, this Sirius, woo, son, you want to talk about a nice plane. Man, oh man, oh man. She is sweet. Sweet. All right, doesn't that sound stupid? Sweet. Yeah, okay. All right, right aileron, left aileron, up elevator, down elevator, right rudder, left rudder. Landing flaps, takeoff flaps, all that kind of good jazz. 80mm EDF. Great flying plane. Running a China Hobby 5000. Got an AR620 antennaless receiver. And I'm a crazy pilot. See them lights now.
Landing flaps.
All right.
Landing flaps. Time remaining 3 minutes.
Man, gotta love it. Gotta love it. Oh, how sweet is that? How sweet is that?
Flaps up.
Oh man, gotta love it. All right.
Time remaining 2 minutes.
Watch this. Watch this. Oh, the sun, the sun, the sun. Oh boy. Boy, that suspension really helps. It really does.
Flaps up.
Still got 1:22 seconds. Okay. Let's get her turned around here. All right. I need to get out further and more level before I start turning. Oh, that sun is bright.
Time remaining 1 minute.
Landing is going to be a booger bear now.
Takeoff flaps. Landing flaps.
So what we're going to do, we're actually going to land with the wind. Maybe. No, we're going too fast. All right.
10, 9, 8, 7.
I'm going to land her in the grass, maybe.
6.
There we go. I had to make my approach on this side of the sun because
5,
right in that sun, I just can't see.
4, 3.
You know, and my thing is, you look right at that sun, you're going to be blinded for 3 or 4 seconds. You know, and that
Up.
can spell disaster. Top of that, you know, you lose sight of your plane. What happens when you hit somebody? Guess what? That's your responsibility. That is your responsibility. All right, folks, let's check the timer on this.
Motor on.
Flew for a full 4 minutes. Okay. Actually got my checker with me. Wow, imagine that. Show you where I got the China Hobby 5000 right there, and basically at the very edge of the front of the battery hat where the strap is, all the way towards the rear of the plane. Okay. I got an AR-620 in there for I don't have a gyro or anything. 42%, so that's perfect. 42%, flew a full 4 minutes. Probably could have pushed it to 5 minutes, but you know, I want to be more conservative. So 4 minutes, 42% left. That's a good storage rate. I'm happy with that. All right, folks, well, there you go. That is the X-Fly Sirius Sport Jet 80mm EDF. Awesome, awesome, awesome plane. Let me say it again. Awesome plane. All right, folks, don't forget, faith, family, friends, and then planes. And God bless y'all. Bye-bye.